Daily morning routine.
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I get out of bed and stretch my body. I get out of bed and stretch my body. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with clean water. I wash my face with clean water. I take a shower. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I prepare a healthy breakfast. I prepare a healthy breakfast. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. I check my daily schedule. I check my daily schedule. I open the windows for fresh air. I open the windows for fresh air. I water the plants in my garden. I water the plants in my garden. I take care of my flowers. I take care of my flowers. I enjoy the beauty of nature. I enjoy the beauty of nature. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I read a book for a few minutes. I read a book for a few minutes. I listen to relaxing music. I listen to relaxing music. I clean my room. I clean my room. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I leave home for school. I leave home for school. I start my day with a positive attitude. I start my day with a positive attitude.